In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Outlook email by creating folders and setting automatic rules in this 2024 guide. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of emails flooding your inbox, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to declutter your Outlook and make it a more efficient tool for communication. To get started, open your web browser and head straight to the Microsoft Outlook web page. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. If you haven't already signed into Outlook, it's time to enter your login details on the Sign In page. Once you've done that, click Next to continue on to the Outlook dashboard. Once you're on your Outlook dashboard, you'll want to shift your attention to the left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a section dedicated to folders, or simply your email name listed. Rest your cursor over this area and you'll notice 3 dots appear next to it. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is where we'll create a new folder to help keep your emails sorted and easy to find. After you click on the 3 dots, look for the option to create new folder. Go ahead and select this. Now, it's time to think about how you'd like to categorize your emails. You might want to create categories such as work, family, or receipts, to name a few examples. Enter the name you've chosen into the provided text box. Now that you've set up your folders, it's time to create some rules to automate where different emails will land. Head over to the top right corner of your dashboard. Here you'll see a settings icon typically displayed with a gear symbol. Click on that settings icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Go ahead and select Mail and then Rules. In this section, you'll be able to add new rules to determine what happens to your incoming emails. Click on Add New Rule to get started. This is where you can really tailor the setup to fit your personal needs. You might want, for example, to establish a rule that sends all emails from a specific sender straight into the work folder you just created. Or perhaps emails with the subject line invoice should go right into receipts. Feel free to customize your email messages by setting up rules that you think will work best for you. And there you have it. You've successfully created folders and set up automatic rules to organize your Outlook email effortlessly. With this new system in place, you'll be able to maintain a clean and efficient inbox, making it easier to manage your communications every day. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.